How do organisms reproduce? Welcome to Grade Booster. Hi students, in this video we are going to solve a crossword puzzle from the chapter How do organisms reproduce? Let us see the first one. 1 down. Here we have the hints: pimples, facial hair, pubic hair. So on basing this we have to find out the answer in 1 down. The answer is puberty. By reaching the age of adolescence, the bodily changes in the boys and girls starts to begin. This is called as onset of puberty. Let's see the next one, second across. Let's see the hints: vegetative propagation, leaves. So, with the help of these hints, you have to find the answer, second across. Did you get it? The answer is bryophyllum. Certain plants like bryophyllum, they reproduce vegetatively by their leaves. They produce buds on the edges of their leaves. So these buds, they develop into new plants. So the answer is bryophyllum. Let us see the next one, 3 down. Let's see the hints: avoids pregnancy, prevents STDs. So what avoids the pregnancy and prevents STDs? That means sexually transmitted diseases. Try the answer. The answer is condom. 3 down, condom. Condom is a simple contraceptive device that helps to avoid pregnancy and also prevents sexually transmitted diseases. Let us see the next one, 4 down. The hints are DNA copying, errors. So with the help of these hints we have to find the answer, DNA copying, errors. Did you get the answer? The answer is variations. During reproduction, DNA copying takes place. As this process is not very accurate, certain errors takes place which leads to variations. Now let's see the next one, 5 down. Here we have only one hint, that is the baby bag. So it is very easy. Try the answer. Did you get it? It is uterus. Uterus is the part of the female reproductive system. The embryo develops into a baby in this uterus. Let us see the next one, 6 across. Here the hints are sperms, urine. Did you get the answer? The answer is urethra. So urethra, it's a part of the male reproductive system. It is the common passage for sperms and urine. Let us see the next one. 7 across. The hints are spores, sac. So on basing this, we have to get the answer. The answer is sporangium. In Rhizopus, spores are formed in a sac-like structure called as sporangium. Once the sporangium bursts, it opens and the spores, they get dispersed. So let's see the next one. 8 across. The hints are flower, sticky part. So the sticky part of flower. The answer is stigma. Stigma is the topmost part of carpel which is sticky. Pollen grains stick to the stigma and germinates. Let's see the next one. 9 down. Here we have only one hint, Kala Ajar. So I'll give one more hint. This Kala Ajar is a disease. Try to find the answer. The answer is Leishmania. Kala Azar or black fever is a disease caused by an organism called Leishmania. It reproduces by binary fission. Let's see the last one. 10 across. The hints are testosterone, sperms. So you find the answer for this question and complete the crossword puzzle. If you like this crossword puzzle, please share it with your friends and also like the puzzle. And for more interesting videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest notifications. For the crossword puzzles of other chapters, please find the links in the description. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please like the video. Please share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to Grade Booster channel. Press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Check the description to find links of other useful videos. Check the end screens for our new videos.